In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Meet for remote and online learning. Whether you're a teacher looking to engage with students or a learner attending virtual classes, this guide will walk you through setting up, organizing, and sharing your classes efficiently using Google Meet and Google Classroom. Let's begin by navigating to the Google Meet website. Open your web browser and type meet@google.com into the address bar. Once the site loads, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Sign In button. If you aren't already signed into a Google account, you'll be prompted to do so here. Simply select or enter your Google account credentials and sign in. This will enable you to access all the features needed for your online learning activities. Once logged in, you'll be presented with an option to start a new meeting. Click on New Meeting, and you'll see several choices. For our purposes today, we'll select Create a Meeting for Later. This will generate a meeting link that can be used at any time. Copy this meeting link as it's crucial for inviting others to join your session. Now, let's incorporate this into Google Classroom to seamlessly integrate your online classes. Head over to Google Classroom by visiting classroom.google.com. Once there, choose the class where you'd like to schedule or announce your meeting. After selecting your class, find the Classwork tab located at the top of the page. Click on it to access your class materials and resources. Next, you'll want to click on the Create button, typically found near the left side of the page. This will give you a drop-down menu with several options. Choose Material from this list, which will allow you to add resources that your students can access anytime. A window will appear prompting you to enter the details of the material you're creating. Start by typing in a clear and concise title for your meeting. This title should be something that your class will easily recognize and understand. Once you've titled your material, paste the copied meeting link into the description area. It's helpful to add some context here, perhaps detailing the purpose of the meeting, the agenda, or any other relevant information that participants might need to prepare. Finally, to ensure all your students or participants can see the meeting details, click the Post button located at the top right corner of the window. This action will make your meeting link and details accessible to everyone in the class. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a Google Meet session and shared it via Google Classroom for your remote learning needs. Feel free to revisit any of these steps as you continue to host more online classes and refine the process to fit your unique teaching or learning style. Thank you for joining me today, and happy teaching and learning with Google Meet.